Hey.
Do you know what today is? It's Packages Day!
No one's gonna know what that means.
It's Packages Day.
Packages Day.
But I call them packages.
This video is gonna be entitled "Guy Can't Open Box."
Guess what's in the box?
I don't know.
Say what's in the box?
What's in the box?
Say what's in the box?
Oh, that's the McGonagall one?
It's McGonagall.
It doesn't say. Oh, there it goes. It's tiny.
What's in the box?
Scan to unlock magic within. Download the Harry Potter Fan Club app. Cute. Kind of looks like Kiwi. And now we can have the pre-release exclusive sticker. Just kidding. So this one is the Harry Potter Wizarding World Patronuses, and we got Minerva. It's our first one. That's what she looks like. I love these boxes. They're so intricate.
I like how that one had no paper.
Oh, there's stuff on it, like all these little, like, it looks like one of those little newspapers.
Oh, well, okay.
Pretty
so that
cool.
one doesn't even have an invoice or anything else, but this one.
And this is what she looks like. I'll show you guys in a second what she looks like out of the box. Ooh, I like the paper. This paper is so cute.
For once.
Look at this paper. It's so cute.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but this is the cutest paper.
So in this box, this has never happened before. I've only ever ordered them like two at a time.
Yeah. We'll open it so we can see.
What's in the box?
Oh, Severus Snape's.
What's in the box?
There's Snape's, which we also got. And then, for some reason, the other two are in boxes.
The other
which is kind of weird.
Are in separate boxes.
Why didn't they protect these ones? Or these ones, for that instance, because they were only in light paper.
They weren't even in light paper. They were just...
Well, no, you had a piece of this.
Probably because this one's the important one.
Is it?
Due to the fact that it's bubble wrapped.
And it's wrapped in the paper. That's so weird.
It's wrapped in the paper.
So do you think two separate people packaged this?
And bubble wrapped.
And one of them packaged it how you're supposed to, and the other one was just like, just put it in the box.
Everything I've ever ordered from them has never been wrapped like this. This paper is in immaculate condition.
And then it's in bubble wrap. What the heck? Is that one like more prized or something?
This one is more expensive. Is the most expensive of the four.
Oh. Let me see. Dumbledore. Then we got Dumbledore's. And yes, we got two of each because we got one for us and one for his mom.
And this means that we now have all the Patronus ones
that are out so far.
That are out so far, and that 6 of our 7 Patronuses have this pre-release exclusive sticker, and one does not.
Yep.
The one my mother ordered,
this one is so
she
cool.
ordered from Funko's website, and so it does not have the pre-release exclusive sticker because it was never offered on the Wizarding World page. Yeah. But these 3 were. So we got the pre-release exclusive sticker.